recording here. Okay, yesterday we have done, we have done few fields, one more important fields we have done, and we have implemented also. Then after that, we have modified the fields, and we have reordered the pick list values and alphabetically order. After that, we have drag and drop the fields on the correct place. Then we have done the uh, sections on the record page. Like we have done overall the how it's looked like the form and client. What is the his expectation based on this expectation? We have did the form like that only. Okay, with the help of page layouts. In the page layouts, we have added the sections and we have done drag and drop the fields based on the places. Okay, yesterday, till yesterday, everyone got it right. Understood, right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now today we have done. Okay, only one object we have done. Now what I will do in this one object only, I will do some more configuration, and tomorrow morning I will assign one big task to you all in Word format. In that, you should have to create two objects along with fields, along with whatever today I'm going to cover the topics. Those those concepts also you should have to do in the task. You will get 3 days of time: tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. 3 days of time. You should have to create two more objects along with fields and along with whatever the concepts I have done today. Those also. Clear, everyone?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now today we are going to start validation rule. So exactly what is validation rule here? Let me share my screen. I think my screen is visible, right?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Okay. So now we are going to
It's
start the
coming up,
validation rule. Okay. Now we are going to start the validation. What is the exactly meaning of the validation rule here? See, basically, the validation rule means whenever, it's a specific condition criteria it is met, then it will throw the error. Then it will throw the error. So what is the condition here? For example, you can able to
Sorry,
see
sir,
the
come again. Sorry, come again.
yeah. The validation rule means whenever the condition is not met, then whenever the condition specific condition is not met, then it should throw the error. And along with that, we can't able to save the record. We can't able to save the record. If it is the condition is not met,
Okay.
right, we can't able to save the record. It is called as a validation rule. So
Yeah, got it.
now exactly how we can able to do that validation rule, how we can throw the error, how it will look like. So see here, I will go to here in this new button. I will okay, in this new button, then I can able to see the form. Okay, it's a record form. I'm not doing anything here. I'm just clicking a save button. I'm just clicking a save button. If I click the save button, right, it should throw the error like loan customer information is mandatory and customer phone is mandatory. So it is called as a validation. It is called as a validation rule. Means this is standard validation rule. It's a standard validation rule. Why? Means in Salesforce only, backend only, they have done like few fields. Whenever creating a new field, right? In that new field, we can able to put a required option. In page layout also, we can able to do a required field. That those are all the standard. Those are all the standard validations. See here, this is standard validation. When I'm not giving any value here in these columns, in these fields, I'm not going to give any kind of columns. Just I will hit a save button. When I hit a save button, right, it will throw the error. What it will throw the error? You should have to mention any value in name or in phone. It's a condition. The Salesforce given us condition already. It's inbuilt. What's the condition? If it is null, the name customer name is null, then it should throw the error. It should throw the error. It's a condition. So that's why if I'm
Got it.
not giving anything, if I click save, right, and it is throwing the error. Based on the condition, the validation rule, it will work. Clear?
Mhm.
Everyone clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we are going to start the validation rule. So first of all, we can see the field. Based on the field, I can go through it. See here, whatever I'm doing, right, it's a overall the real-time scenarios, and make sure you should have to practice day by day, and what I'm giving the task, you should have to complete the task. Okay. So see here, let's think, where is the loan amount? Okay. It's I'm having a loan amount. I'm having here loan amount. If I give if I give any value here, okay, the loan amount is there, right? If I enter zero, or if I'm not entering anything, if I'm entering zero, okay, if I'm not enter anything, then if I click save, right? If I click save, it's saving, but it is wrong. What is the what is the requirement here? It should not be a zero, and it should not be a null. It should something value. Then only the record should be saved. If I'm inserting the zero also, if the value is null also, if I click save, right, it should throw the error. It should throw the error. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
So this is a valid. So this is a requirement. This is a requirement. Now I'm going to show you. Just go to gear icon, click setup, go to object manager. So here, which object we are going to do loan management, so loan in customer information, and where you can able to see the validation rule here. Just you can scroll down, right? You can able to see the validation rule option here. Okay, just click the validation rule and click new button and click new button. Then you can able to see the rule name. See here, based on the requirement, we should have to give the role name. Based on requirement, we should have to give the role name. The role name should be match about our requirement. Now, what is the requirement here? The loan amount should be matched correctly. If it is zero also, if it is a zero also, it should throw the error. And if it is a blank also, it should throw the error. This is a requirement. Okay. So now the role name should be loan amount GRE greater than 0. This is a rule name. As per the requirement, the role name should be matched. As per the requirement, the role name should be matched. Okay. So see here, no one, I mean, in real time also, they will not tell you should have to give this name. They will not provide you. Just they will give the scenario. You should have to crack it. Then whatever the label, we should have to write.
Next month end or other next month? No.
Sorry.
Hello.
There.
Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Okay. See here, based on the requirement, we should have to give the rule name. Okay. If when in the real time also, they will not give any kind of rule name. You should have to put like this. Just they will give the requirement. Based on the requirement, we should have to give with our own the rule name, label name, everything. Just they will give the requirement. That's it. Okay. Now this is a box. In this box, we should have to give the formula. We should have to give the formula. See, this is a formula. It is a new for you all, but it's a very, very easy if you practice. If you not practice, right, it's very tough to you. Okay. Everything should be practice. Now the requirement. What's the requirement here? If it is a zero, then it should save. Sorry, it should throw the error. If it is a null also, it should throw the error. In this value, in this field, I should have to put some value. Then only it should save the record. Means greater than 0. Greater than 0, I should have to give the value. Then only the record should be saved. Clear the requirement, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now here, two conditions I'm going to insert here. The first condition is blank.
Should not be null.
If it is blank, if I click save, it should throw the error. If I click 0, if I click save, it should throw the error. Means two conditions, correct?
Correct.
So now for the two conditions, I should have to take function as a or, or. Remember this one, by just keep in mind, okay? Or in the sense, two conditions it will come. It will come, many conditions, or this or this or this. Or in the sense, or means blank or 0. Both condition it will come.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, first, blank. So what is the requirement? The first condition is blank. Now again, we need to take a function here, is blank. Is blank. Okay, is blank. Selected. Now here is blank. Okay, is blank in the sense, if it is a blank, then it should throw the error. Insert field. Again, I'm showing you. Expression is right. Remove the expression. Insert the bracket. Click it. Then click insert field. Now, which field we need to select here? Loan amount. Click insert. Okay, then it will come. This is the first condition, correct? This is the first condition. Okay.
Correct.
Now second condition. Second condition, when we are writing a second condition, you should have to put comma. This is second condition. Okay. Now again second condition. Click insert. Loan amount. Insert. And here less than equal to 0. Less than equal to 0. If it is 0, means it should throw the error. It should throw the error. Clear, everyone?
Yeah. And for this second one, we don't require any formula string.
No. We
How
don't
we
require.
give is blank.
Already we have given a here this one, right? Less than equal to. This is a field. Did you got it?
Yes.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So now this formula is correct or not? Then we need to click a check syntax. Click the check syntax. Scroll below. Now here it's showing the error. 1, 2. Now here again showing the error here.
Because customer loan second one we have not inserted this one.
What?
Bracket. We need to insert the bracket.
No. We don't want to insert the bracket here. Comma. We have put the comma. Okay, and click check syntax.
I think it's space.
Okay, now it's not throwing the error.
Okay.
Okay, this is the first one. Or we are closing to or to or. Okay, this is function, right? Or to or we are closing. Now is blank we are closing.
Yeah.
Here only first condition. This first condition.
Okay.
This is a second condition. Okay, or means this or this. Or means this or this. Now click. We need to throw the
our
error.
condition. We can give many, right? Not only
many.
one, or it is not two. It is
Not
a many.
Two. Many it will come. Or means it will come 1, 2, 3 like that only we can able to. Okay, we should have to put the comma, and after that we can able to add so many fields. Okay.
Got it.
Now error message. Now we need to throw the error message here. Now we need to throw the error message. Loan amount must be greater than 0. Greater than 0. This is error message. This is
0.
a error message. Now this error message, where I need to show? I need to show on top of the page or field. I want to show this message on field. Click the field and select loan amount. Select loan amount. Click save. Click save. Now my validation is done. Now if you want to like when you are doing something, the validation rule you don't require, and tomorrow you got another one requirement that your client is telling, no, I don't want this validation rule, but you need to don't delete the validation rule. What you need to do, you need to edit and you need to deactivate it. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Click save. And remember one thing, in real time, whenever if you think it's not a usage, it's not required, so don't remove it, don't delete it. Just you need to deactivate it. Okay. Now go to text, sorry, record. Now here I'm not giving any kind of value. I'm just,
But we need to refresh, right?
yes.
Or is this auto?
No. Refresh. Click the refresh. Okay. Now see here, loan amount. I'm not giving anything. I just click save. It will throw the error. Loan amount must be greater than 0. If I put the 0, click save. Again, it's showing error. If I click 1, if I click save, then it will save. Clear?
Got it.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the next thing. Now, what is the next change I want to do here? For example, let's say text 3 is there. Okay. Text 3. Now, tomorrow someone came and he what he did edit and he removed the 3 and he clicked save the record. He saved the record. Okay. And on the time, the owner is you. Someone is came, someone edit, and someone did some modify, and he did save the record, and he went. After some time, your manager is seeing like something is changing here. And then who is changing here? You only, right? Because you are the owner, and so many people they will blame on you only. Okay. So here we need to restrict changes here. If if, if the existing record is there, we can't able to change anything. We should have to restrict that. If the text is there, if I remove 3, if I click save, right, it should throw the error. You can't able to change it. That throw you should have to throw the error. Clear?
Yeah, got it.
Now go back.
This will happen only when once we saved. After that, any edit on that particular line item or the field, then it should throw the error, right?
Yes, exactly. Now click new button. Is change restricted on name? Is change restricted on name? This is my role name. And coming here, then here there is a one function for that. What is the function here? The function name is change. Click insert, and we need to insert a field. The field name is name. What's the name? Customer name. Click insert. Now check syntax. Okay. Now there is no error. Go back and enter the error message here. You cannot able to change the name. Please ask to your administration. Okay, this is error message. Now I want to error message on top, for example. I want to put the top, and previously we have done field, right? Now we are going to put a top. Just click save. Now go back. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, it's 3, right? Now I'm going to put 3. If I click save, it should throw the error. You can't able to change the name. Please ask to your administrator. If I put text again, if I click save, it will save. If I remove TES, I'm just putting the TES. If I click save, it should throw the error. If I put again T, if I click save, it will save. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is change. So this is a is change. And a few more things I'm having here. This is a in India. I'm having here phone number, for example. Where's the phone? Okay, this is a phone. Okay. Now in Indian, the phone number it will starts from 6 to 9. Correct.
Correct.
Now if I'm inserting here from 5 like this, it should throw the error. It should throw the error. Okay. And 10 digits. It should be 10 digits only. It should not go to 11 digits. It should be 10 digits, and the number should be start from 6. Okay. And this one you should have to make a notes. This formula you should this formulas you should have to make a notes. This formulas is coming from rejects. Rejects. This is called as a rejects. Okay, rejects the uh, mobile number should be start from 6 to 9, and the mobile number should be 10 digits. And Gmail also, if you put Gmail, right, gmail.com, if you're not putting the gmail.com, if you're for example, hemant@wipro.com, this is your Gmail. If you're putting hemant@gmail.com, right, you should throw the error. These are all the formulas is considering rejects. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, this one you should have to by heart it. Rejects. Go back. Again, validation rule. Click new. Click new. And the formula is phone.
Rejects.
Phone exist. You're telling something? Hello?
Yes. Sir.
Yeah.
What's the rule name?
It should be a rejects, right? Phone rejects phone existing.
No, rejects is a formula part. So we can't able to give that rejects rule name. We can able to give phone should be proper format. Phone should be proper format. And now here formula. The formula what I will use, first of all I will use here rejects. Let's think here. Here we can able to see here rejects. Okay, rejects we can able to see here.
Yeah, it is here. Rejects.
rejects. See, it's giving already value to us. Now write it down here. First of all, we need to select a field. Which field we want? Phone. Customer phone. Okay, comma. Now here formula. Double quote starting. And after that, there is a like this. Now the phone number start from 6 to 9. 6 to 9. Okay, 6 to 9 and 0 to 9. 6 to 9 it should be start, and under that the number should be 0 to 9. Floor brackets 9 $, now double underscore bracket close. So this is a formula. This is a rejects. This is a rejects for 6 to 9. Indian phone number should be 9 to 6. Sorry, 6 to 9. 10 digits. This is a 10 digits. 0 to 9 is a 10 digits. This is a first digit. This is a 10th digit. Click check syntax. Now it's showing the error here. Something went wrong.
We have given extra bracket.
Extra bracket.
Oh, yeah, okay. Now click check syntax. Okay, now it's fine. Phone should be SHOU spelling. What is spelling? Phone should be proper format. Please correct it. Now I want to error message. It should be come on phone. Click save. Click save. Now go back. Now I'm giving here 4. Okay, like this I'm giving the phone number, for example. If I click save, then it's saving the record, and in that I have done, I need to add another one function. In that I want to add another one function. 6, save it. So in this formula I want to add another one function. The function name is not. The function name is not. Inverted not. Underscore. Click check syntax. Save it. Go back and click save. It should throw the error. The phone should be proper format. Please recorrect it. Now I will give 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The starting letter is 5. If I click save, it is throwing the error. If I make 5 replace of 9, if I click save, it will save. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is rejects. You should have to by heart. Rejects. You should have to by heart. I will send you the this formulas document. You can go through it. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now mandatory field. Now we can able, so now mandatory field, how we how many ways we can able to do mandatory field. While we creating a field, we can able to enable the mandatory option. And in page layer also, we can able to do a mandatory field. Along with that, we can able to do mandatory field with the help of validation rule as well. For example, feedback form. Okay, this feedback form, I'm not going to enter anything. If I click save, right? If I click save, then it should throw the error. Like that we have done, right? This one.
Yeah,
where
correct.
it is loan. This
loan amount.
Yes, if I click save, right, it should throw the error like this. This is mandatory. So we're having a 3 ways to do a mandatory fields. One is while we're creating a field, and in page layouts, and in validation. Clear?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to start. Now we are going to start this one. What do we say? Validation. Sorry, a formula field. Formula field. Understood, right? About the validation tool, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I'm going to start the validation, formula field. So here, what is the basic, so what is the meaning of a formula field here exactly? Let's say I'm having a name and country and state. Okay. Name, country and state. So I want only, now I want all together. These 3 fields, I want one together. And I want to create another one field. In that field, I can able to say 3 equally. Name, country, location. Like that, I should have to see in together. How we can able to do that one with the help of the formula field, we can able to do. Okay. And the formula field, whenever we created a formula field, right? That formula field, it is a read only. We can't able to edit. Once we create the formula field, right? We can't able to edit the formula field. It will calculate. Like this is a loan amount is there. This loan amount is there. And I want to add tax, for example. I want to add another one field, that is a tax. Now I want to calculate tax and amount. It will give the proper value with the help of the formula field. With the help of the formula field. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now I'm going to show you example, name, state, country. I want together all. I want together all here. So go back.